I just joined the Ukrainian Football League, and they let old guys play.
What position are you playing?
Tight end.
Yeah, I bet you are.
And I get to sing the Pussy song.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a friendly little cat. It's terrible. I hate this thing. I can't.
Hey, what's your football name?
My football name is Baraboya. The Spud. Yeah. Like I said, the two tapes put on our absolutely.
How are you? Oh my word, I'm gonna kind of freak out.
Don't freak out.
I
know.
We need a bright light again.
How are you, handsome?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. I don't complain.
I know.
How are you?
Hey! Whoa! How much?
He brought you back.
Come here. We want to get your virus cleaned. We can clean your virus for $90. We're cleaning viruses for $90. These girls obviously don't care about their clean viruses, or they don't have viruses.
Virus free.
She's virus free. She's grown up with Norton. And we can do a PC tune-up for CNUF.
See, how is it important in Ukrainian?
Important.
Важно.
Дуже важне.
To virus, Chechnya virus.
Або за 90 долярів, або за 45 долярів, that's half. We can just do a tune-up.
Що я заступив.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. We can tune up free estimates on all your repairs.
That's right.
So we'll see you later. Thank you.
Hey!